In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Monero Wallet app on Android. Monero is a cryptocurrency, and it's important to understand that it is not just a single Android app. Instead, the official Monero website lists several compatible wallets that you can use on your Android device. Some of the popular options include Monero, Monero.com by Cake Wallet, and My Monero. Each of these wallets provides you with the tools needed to manage your Monero safely and securely. Choosing the right wallet is crucial for protecting your investments and ensuring smooth transactions. To start, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. This is the app store specifically designed for Android users where you can find a wide range of applications. When you open it, you'll see various categories and featured apps on the home screen. It is an essential first step because the Google Play Store is the safest and most reliable way to download apps. From here, you can search for the wallet that best suits your needs. Next, search for an official Monero-compatible wallet. You can look for options such as Monero, Monero.com, Monero Made Easy, or My Monero. Typing these names into the search bar will help you locate the wallets quickly. This step is important because finding the right wallet ensures you are using a secure and legitimate application to manage your Monero. As you search, make sure to check the app descriptions and ratings for additional reassurance. Once you find the wallet you want, it's time to verify the developer before installing. This is a critical step because it ensures that you are downloading an app from a trustworthy source. Look for well-known developers and read user reviews to gauge the wallet's reliability. This verification process keeps your funds secure and helps you avoid potential scams, which is vital in the cryptocurrency world. After confirming the developer, tap Install. This action will initiate the download process. You'll see a progress bar indicating the download status. It may take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Once completed, the app will automatically install on your device. This step is straightforward, but it is essential because you need the app installed before you can start using it. Now, wait for the app to download and install. During this time, you can take a moment to ensure your device has enough storage space for the new app. If space is limited, consider clearing out unused apps or files. Once the installation is complete, you'll want to tap Open. This action will launch the application for the first time and allow you to begin the process of setting up your Monero wallet. Finally, choose Create a New Wallet or Restore/Import Wallet if you already have a recovery phrase. If you are new to Monero, selecting Create a New Wallet is the way to go. This option will guide you through the setup process. If you have a recovery phrase from a previous wallet, selecting Restore/Import Wallet will bring your existing wallet back to your device. This choice is crucial because it determines how you will access your Monero funds moving forward. With these steps completed, you are now ready to manage your Monero securely on your Android device. Remember that keeping your wallet secure is essential for protecting your cryptocurrency investments. Thank you for following along.